So this is a quick and dirty reminder video for anybody who's struggling to remember how to have their leads when they're working their dogs with 2 points of contact. Your options are, I'll show you with the dog in a second, either, here we go, puppet, to have, so we have one lead clipped to the front ring, on the harness here, or on the collar if your dog has a collar on. We're in the house, so we don't have one on just now. And then you're either going to have one lead in each hand so that you can steer and move like so, which is fine, but sometimes you need the other hand for treats or another dog or who knows what, a fray. So, right, that's it, good. So what I tend to do, this is just what works for me, so rather than doing this, at which point kind of my only option is to kind of pull on both, and the point is we want to be able to choose which leash we're putting pressure on. So what I might do is take my hand like this, like that, like a loop, and like that, and like so. Now what that means, can you see how I can choose, good girl, I know it feels weird, good girl. I can choose which part of the leash I'm going to put some pressure on there. If you've ever ridden or used double reins, it's basically the same thing. It's like using double reins. If you haven't, don't worry, you don't need to know. Right, so we'll show you from this angle. Can you sit? Good girl. So what I've got is, there's my, right, good, sit, good. There's my back leash, goes over my hand like so. Front leash attachment goes like so, and I end up with a loop there. This now means I'm in a good position, if you can see, to alternate pressures between the back and the front connection, which is a nice way of asking the dog to come back into balance and slow down, good girl, rather than just pulling with both, which tends to create more resistance. Lovely. Thank you, Frey, that was very good. It was a strange one, wasn't it?